Hi, it's Jason in Jason's Jungle. Today I'm harvesting my white rot. These are my overwintering onions. This bed happens to be one of the ones that I've been treating for white rot for the last few years. And I've been dusting it with garlic powder and soaking it in the hope that it triggers the white rot. So we've got quite a bit of rain over the next week. Don't know when I'll get to harvest them otherwise, and they're starting to turn. So I think it's time to bring them up. So I've got some overwintering onions here. A couple of different varieties, I can't remember what they are, but red and whites basically. So I am going to lift these up. I can hear the roots crack, that's hopeful. And let's have a look at the bottom. Okay, there is, you can see, a little bit of white rot on them. So this part of the bed still has them on. What I'm going to do is lift these up and see how bad it is. And then I will show you at the end. This pile here, these are the ones that have visible signs or look as if they've got white rot, which is significantly less than I had last time, honest. These are the ones that at the moment don't have signs. They might still develop signs in storage or in drying, but at the moment they look clear. Now the ones with white rot will go home, they'll get chopped up and dehydrated or frozen or eaten fresh, and then these I am actually going to put up to dry and cure and use them over the next couple of months. But if this was the last time I'd done it, I would have had all of these would have been shown white rot. That's how bad it was. So it is a marked improvement. It hasn't gone completely, but it is a lot better. Okay, would you like to put a comment down below to tell me what you're doing if you have white rot? And click on like, click on subscribe, share this if you think there's anyone of interest, and I'll see you on my next video.